This is an exercise we do every year at the beginning of September, and this is the result of the work of 6 months made by our 1,700 members. It's a bottom-up exercise in which we identify issues, we address concerns, and at the end we address recommendations to Chinese authorities in order to improve the business environment for our member companies.
What do you expect of today's meeting at the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia? You are meeting Slovenian companies.
Yes, we have, after the launch of the paper, we have been traveling to Brussels, and we presented the paper to a number of commissioners, including President Barroso, and then we split the group of people going in different countries. I'm taking care of the trip on a number of new member states, including Slovenia, and the idea is, since Slovenia among the new member states is one of the most active in terms of companies present in China, to see whether through the paper, through the work of the Chamber, through the other initiatives that the Chamber is participating in, the EU SMEs Center and then the IPR help desk, we can be of help and we can identify domains of collaboration with Slovenian companies.